What's up, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Today we are looking at June's Hot Tools flyer from Snap-on. Let's do it. Alright guys, so as I said, we are looking at June's Hot Tools flyer from Snap-on. They are introducing the Icon. So this is a new toolbox series for Snap-on. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's go into where the meat and potatoes are here. So it's essentially, as Tyler explained to me, it is it's a Classic Series box, but it's taller, so it's 43 inches tall. They've added another drawer here, so they have 3 full-length drawers, and now they have a power drawer as well as the speed drawer. You can plug in all your USB stuff, all your chargers in there, all that kind of stuff. So no word, I don't know whether or not the power drawer install or the power accessories add-on will fit into that bottom drawer there. I don't know, however, this is a brand new power drawer assembly, so it's going to be a bit of a shallower box. And then they brought in the speed drawer that's you see in the new Master Series and stuff like that. So we'll go into the next page here, and this comes in a series of color combinations that you can't normally get on a Master Series or a Classic Series toolbox. Some of those nice color combos that you see like on the Epics and the Master Series. So really nice. I'm glad that they're doing that, making the Classic Series a little bit more of a customizable box for you guys. It's really nice. And with that third full-length drawer, it's super nice. So what they've done is they've taken out the couple of drawers that used to be there, the couple 1-inch drawers that used to be there, and then the 2-inch drawer that was below it, and they've added in the power drawer there. So they've done a good job on that toolbox. I'm not sure what the prices are on it yet. I haven't really looked at the website or anything, but they should be, I would probably think just a little bit more expensive than the regular Classic Series box. So anyway, well, let's get into the tools. Some new tools. Obviously, we've seen the High Flow Venturi blowgun. I got it. It is super cool. $87.95. I will say that these prices are Canadian, and your guys's flyer will not necessarily be the exact same as my flyer. Obviously, different areas get different flyers, and obviously different prices in United States and Australia, and all those different areas all have different prices. So if you are in one of these other areas, do get a hold of your franchisee, and they will tell you the prices for all these things. So, or you can look it up on snapon.com, and that's where everything's going to be. So the 250 lumen rechargeable pen light there, it has a charge. It comes with a charging base, and it's a pretty nice light. Our apprentice there, Hunter, he owns it now and just absolutely loves it. So the magnetic light holder, obviously this isn't going to work with your pen light, but this is going to work with your 14.4 series lights, and it works really well. I have one sitting on my on one of my 14.4 lights, and it's super it's strong. It's a strong magnet. It's really nice. You have your 1/4-inch keyless chuck, reverse and micro reversible air drill, $418. The thing is super small, and it's a nice little drill. I'm not an air drill person. You guys all know this by now, if anyone has been with me for any length of time, know that I am not an air drill type of person. I hate them. The Multi-Pro Pro is on for $269.95, and you can now get the 10-foot extension cable for $52.95. So that's a good to have that, you guys. Anyone who was complaining about that before, that couldn't reach like the back of a trailer or something like that, you can now get the 10-foot extension cable. So $52.95 for that. The part number on that is EECT 800, and then the cable is just the same part number with -add on the end there. And they're introducing again, I think this was in the last flyer as well for May, 1/4 inch gearless T0, $166.95. Man, these prices, man. But it's a nice little ratchet. I can see it being very useful, a little bit more than the P0. And you know, get into those tight reach spaces where you really don't have much for swing that you can give up, you know, for space to crack something loose or just get that one tight bolt out. This one's going to actually be really useful for you. The 3/8 drive flex head tank angle, and this is the full metal body, $719. But you know, you got this would be, you know, you have your angle meter and all that stuff for those torque to yield bolts. It's a fairly small little unit. It's really nice though. And the 3/8 dual 80. This is the extra long flex head ratchet. This is with this head on it right here that you can see in this picture. So that's that ratchet. I own this ratchet. I love it. I use it every day. You can also get this in a comfort grip handle and make yourself a little bit more comfortable. You get a little bit of length on it as well. So $185.95. The timing belt service kit, if you guys are doing a lot of timing belts on you know, anything really, $354.95, and that comes with a whole variety of tools that anything you're going to need to lock those cams together and all that shit. So 10-piece ball hex instinct screwdriver set from 3/32 all the way up to 3/8 of an inch, $204.95. Comfort grip handles, well, the instinct handles. I recently saw somebody put an instinct handle onto a ratchet, and I thought that was kind of interesting because I was asking about that. So apparently there is a way that you can do it. I didn't look too far into it, but I was wondering about it, and it looks kind of cool. It looks pretty comfortable. Yeah, something just for you guys to know. 7-piece double ball Torx wrench set, $69.95, and that would be a snap-on item. Okay, limited time deals. So you got sockets, and more sockets here. Anywhere from $154 all the way up to $307. These are all quarter drive sockets, SAE and metric 6 points. So you guys can see all that stuff. Color and comfort, perfectly paired. Buy a socket set and get a ratchet of your choice. So you're buying any of these 1/4 inch sockets and you're getting one of these quarter drive dual 80 ratchets for free. So not bad, not a bad deal there if you want to save yourself, you know, 140 bucks. Okay, built to be the best, to help you be your best. So they got the 6-piece and 5-piece flank drive flare nut wrench sets, $308.95 or $308.65 and $240. Flare wrench sets through Snap-on have always been one of the better things that you can get through Snap-on for their wrenches. They have great flare nut wrench sets. And your 6-piece SAE flank drive short combination wrenches for $325, and your 10-piece 12-point metric flank drive short combinations for $386.95. So there you go. And these are well, they say flank drive, but they're not flank drive plus, so they're not the big double, you know, the big dual biting ones, you know, the ones that you want. Stock up on productivity this summer. Roll cart Blue Point, pretty much $1,000. Well, it's down from $10.50 to $9.44, so you're getting just a little under $100 off there. A lot of Blue Point stuff, 3/8. You know, this is the noisiest thing that you'll ever have in your shop. And all the combination general service sets that you guys can see there, ranging from $332 up to $500, and so on and so on. Some SAE and metric combination wrench sets, pretty competitively priced, I guess. And your 24-ounce ball peen hickory hammer. There you go. Okay, for Monster Performance, choose Monster Lithium tools. So they're still trying to get rid of that CT8850. They're going to try and sell these things to you guys until the new brushless one comes out. I can't remember the part number off the top of my head. I have seen pictures of it. It looks pretty badass, and it's going to be a Milwaukee maybe it might be a Milwaukee killer, maybe it might not be, I don't know, but it's going to be a lot more expensive than the Milwaukee, obviously. We all know this. And your 1/2-inch drill and all the other accessories that come with these 18-volt Monster Lithium batteries. Yeah, so there's all your prices there. A little bit of an angle. I think that was to do with me. No, actually, no, I think they come, no, maybe not. No, that's just me. I scanned this into my phone. People always ask me how I get this online or whatever, but this is basically when Tyler, my dealer, comes in and gives me the flyers. I scan them into my phone, and we go from there. So you can find them online as well. Limited edition engine diagnostic kit. So this is for the big trucks. This is the ProLink HD Standard Plus engine diagnostic kit for all your heavy duty needs. And your master fuel pressure kit for $611, down from $699 or $679, so that's not a bad deal. And that is everything that you guys need to do pressure tests or fuel services and all that kind of stuff. All your different pressure fittings that are all in there. Compression gauge set, $260, down from $289. I love my Snap-on compression tester. So so they got some smoke machines here. These are the smart smoke machines. They're pricey. Yeah, anyone who owns one of these smoke machines, please leave a comment in the section below. Tell me how you like it. Anyway, we're not going to get too far into the smoke machine. So last page here, high-powered rebates extended until August 31st. So for a limited time, instant rebates of up to $5,000 when you buy an Apollo or, you know, a new Toolbox or anything like that. So and then on the back here we got the new icon that they're showing again here, and you can also get your own tumbler, 3-in-1 tumbler. Those things are pretty cool. I actually kind of want one. So anyway, guys, that is the end of our flyer. All right, guys, that was June's Hot Tools flyer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We do this every month, so yeah. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Patreon. This is all too much. Peace out, guys. See you in the next one. Thank you.